Welcome back. Classic international revivals. My buddy Todd told me about this. It's for sale. I think I'm gonna end up buying it. My dad wants it, so but I don't even know what year it is. I know it's been off the road for a long time. It's got the chicken lights all over it, so give the DOT a reason to stop you. It's got trees. Yeah, trees growing in there. Well, it's gonna be hard to get in with that door froze shut. I don't even know what year it is. I know it's got a 345 International in it. Jesus. There we go. It's got a 4-barrel on it, which is nice. Makes it easy to swap it out. I'm gonna try to get this thing propped open. Get some of this stuff cleaned off the top of it. Yeah, look at this homemade beast of a plow. All the tires seem to have air in it. Nice little wing. I'm gonna grab my gloves, clean some of the stuff off, see if I can get inside, and we'll go from there. I was able to get the door open with my trusty negative screwdriver. It doesn't say what year it is on here, but it is a 1890 model, so maybe that was the year it was made. Oh, it's got a floor in it. Oh, 1977 model. So it's got a key, which is a plus. So I guess try to get the hood to stay open and see if the engine turns over, and then throw a battery and see if it'll fire up. Oh. Well, that gas tank ain't opening. Yeah, throw a battery to it and see if it starts smoking. Yeah. Not seeing anything yet. Guess that's a good sign. Yeah, it's about 30 degrees out right now, so yeah, I'm gonna go hit the key and see if it does crank. Maybe I won't even have to file the points. Dump some gas in it and see if it starts. Watch out for the toe on the front of that plow.
I've been watching out for it. Clearly you haven't.
I did last time and then I got it this time. Ugh. This guy must have been short. She cranks. Yeah. It's exciting. I'm gonna get the air cleaner ripped off. And question is, do I dare try to drive this home? Or just wait and bring the trailer? Apparently just yank it off. It doesn't look like the mice ate any plug wires, so that's a good sign. Yeah, I'm gonna fill the float bowls. Nice lid you got for the camera. There's some nice trees growing in the back. So the guy that owns half of this truck, he said before it got parked, he had just got the carburetor working really good, so hopefully that's still the case. But if I have to, I'll just run back home and grab it, because I got another Holly at home. So. Yeah, it's dripping gas out of the float bowl. Back with a golden eagle here, orange eagle, but never mind. I got the carb back on. Last time we were up here, there was that hose blew. I got the hose put back on. Ooh, what a fight! I almost went home. Hi, I won. This is actually the thing I hurt my wrist on, getting that hose off. So, but yeah, gotta just take and hook the fuel line up, get some more gas in it. Hopefully the carb fix that I did to it, hopefully it doesn't leak fuel anymore. So yeah, hopefully we can get it running, drive it home, and maybe do some plowing on the way out of here. It hasn't plowed snow in 20 something years, so let's see if we can make it happen, right? So yeah, figure out what I need for a fuel line. And quit snowing on me tree. Yeah, we'll start filming when I'm ready to record. Well, I got the float bowls all full. I left the fuel line off here just in case it shoots some grungy stuff up there. See if it fires up again. And oh, it's been a couple months since we were here, right?
Yeah.
A little more gas in there. Or maybe I already flooded it. Oh. Hasn't started pulling fuel yet, though. I was hoping it would by now. Be able to tell right at that filter if it's pulling fuel, so. more fuel. What did we put in last time? A gallon?
I have no idea.
Says this thing has 210,000 miles on it.
Never would have guessed.
I thought it was like 45,000, but it's in nice shape. That'd be a lot of plowing in one of these things. Squirters work. Should be. Pulling fuel. Well, I should get the rest of the fuel line hooked up instead of being dumb and blowing gas all over everywhere. Hey, it runs. You put the hose clamps away along with the screwdriver?
How much fuel did you get all over everything?
It blew all the way to the passenger side, but it probably doesn't have much flammable content to it, being that it was what was in the line in the pump. So. Well, see if we can make it run a little longer. No fuel leaks up here. Seems to want to stay running. Pretty cool, the wing came up. Not too about the plow with it being froze down. I didn't bring a chain with. Can't yank it. Just took a little coaxing is all. Well, guess I should wrap it up, button it up, and dump the rest of my gas in and see how far we make it. Sound like a plan?
Super bumpy on my end, and I'm in a pickup, but he's trucking along, carrying all his little trees. We're gonna try to transplant those guys. Some white pine, a couple balsam that are still alive. I'm excited. Well, we've made it a number of miles down the road. Doing okay. Now we're into the mud. See how it likes running in the mucky, slushy, muddy mess. Aye. Day for a country drive.
Apparently 5 gallons wasn't enough, so hopefully 5 will make it the other 5 miles, I think. I did pull the chains off. Man, they were noisy and bouncy, but the truck's doing good. It's not overheating. It's holding like 40 pounds of oil pressure, and the emergency brake works, so I can stop. Yeah, get it home in the spring after I can empty this box out, because I want to try to replant that white pine that's in there. That's a nice looking white pine. That needs to go in our yard somewhere. But stuff won't slide out now because it's probably frozen in. But while I was waiting, I opened this thing up. Besides the mouse nest, that's like a 20-foot chain in there. So, and a squirrel. And there's a strap in the toolbox on the other side. And the heater works too. So this might be my new going to town rig. Only when we get 2 foot of snow, and I gotta get there anyway. Yeah. So far it's a fun journey. How fast was it going?
Not very.
Like 20?
30?
30? Well, that's not too bad.
But it's so sloppy and...
So if we made it 8 miles on 5 gallons of fuel, that gets pretty
like
good
4
mileage.
gallons of fuel.
Was it 4?
Yeah.
So 2 miles to the gallon.
Not so bad.
It's doing pretty good. So, and I don't know if it's in high side or low side, but it's got that old pitch and throw steering too. So, but it's got a e-brake. So hopefully, what'd you grab? 7 gallons?
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully that'll be enough to get home.
Last leg of the journey. Getting close now. Doing about 45 miles an hour. I think I had her doing about 75 at one point. I think the choke just started to stick around the corner and burning my eyes, but I made it. Did plow snow pretty good. Maybe a little bit of dirt. I'll have to fix that after it melts. So, yeah, it's home. Now I can make it to my dad's house. So, well, make the plan, work the plan. I'll put links in the description of all my friends' channels you should check out. It's getting to be a pretty big list, and half the time I don't remember everybody. But yeah,
Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. It was a fun ride home. So, yeah. Until next time, have a good weekend.